I'm back with an original song this week that I wrote a few years ago, and it is based off of a true story. I was talking to this person, and you know how you just sense something's off. You can't put your finger on it, call it a sixth sense, call it a gut instinct, whatever you want to call it. I had this feeling talking to this person. Come to find out, they had a girlfriend, but they were flirting with me, and they openly said they had a girlfriend and continued to flirt with me, and I just thought it was so wrong, and it made me really mad. So I came home and I wrote this song, and honestly, it has been stuck in my head for the last 2 years, so now I want to share it with you guys. Feel free to let me know. At the end of this video, comment, let me know if it gets stuck in your head too. But this is called Two Birds, One Stone. Do you really think it's cute when you flirt with me on the weekends? Go home to your girlfriend. Do you really think it's charming? You want me to do all the chasing, disguise it well with self-effacing, but I'm nobody's fool, baby. It's not my fault, and I'm just saying that two birds, one stone is gonna leave you all alone, and you're not a nice guy. True lovers never roam, and you need to go home and start thinking twice. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my love. I'll give you a sign, a rhyme, a reason, baby. You give me nothing at all. Yeah, you give me nothing at all. Do you really think it's funny? Pretend like you really want me, then turn around and start ignoring. Truth is, I find it kind of boring. Leave the games to the children. You're never gonna be a real man with wandering hands. And frankly, I don't give a damn, 'cause two birds, one stone's gonna leave you all alone, and you're not a nice guy. True lovers never roam, and you need to go home and start thinking twice. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my love. I'll give you a sign, a rhyme, a reason, baby. You give me nothing at all. Yeah, you give me nothing at all. You made your bed, no lay in it. It's not my fault if there's nobody in it. It's the price you pay for never being satisfied. 'Cause two birds, one stone's gonna leave you all alone. You're not a nice guy. True lovers never roam, and you need to go home and start thinking twice. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my love. I'll give you a sign, a rhyme, a reason, baby. You give me nothing at all. Yeah, you give me nothing at all. So baby, go home, home, home. I'd rather be alone, alone, alone. This bird has flown. This bird has flown. Baby, go home, home, home. I'd rather be alone, alone, alone. This bird has flown. This bird has flown. I love a good sassy song. Let me know in the comments what you think about that one. If it gets stuck in your head, please let me know, because I feel a little bit crazy. But I will see you guys next week with a new video. Thanks for tuning in.